Are you tired of eating sad and boring salads? I've got a recipe for you today for tofu feta, or fake feta as I like to call it. It came from my cookbook, Give Them Something Better, and it really adds a lot. It's got all the salty tanginess that you love from cheese, and it's got good protein. Let me tell you how I make it.
As always, all of the ingredients and instructions are listed in the description box below or found on my website, givethemsomethingbetter.com. The most important ingredient in this recipe is the extra firm tofu. Any extra firm tofu will work. The first thing you need to do is remove as much water as possible from the tofu so that it can soak up the flavorful marinade. My favorite method is to wrap the tofu tightly in a large towel. This way there are more layers and more water can be removed. After it is all wrapped up, I put it into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but I usually do it the night before and I let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. While the tofu is draining, I make a simple marinade with lemon juice, olive oil, a little bit of water, then some seasonings. I am using granulated garlic, granulated onion, and salt today. I give that a stir, and if you'd like your fake feta to be a little extra tangy, you can add about a tablespoon of vinegar to it. I stir that up and put it aside until I'm ready to crumble the tofu into the marinade. Once my tofu is done draining, I take it out of the refrigerator and begin to crumble it into my marinade. I find that hands make the best tool for crumbling. I like to have some smaller and some larger pieces so that they resemble crumbled feta cheese. If you prefer, you can cube the tofu here as well. I think the crumbling method helps it soak up more marinade. Either way will work out great. Marinade in the refrigerator overnight, and it's ready to eat. You can use this in salad or any recipe that calls for feta. I just made a spanakopita pinwheel appetizer that was great. If you want that recipe, let me know in the description box below. You're going to love this next recipe. Check it out right